No more disturbance, okay? Yeah, just see this, children. We are going to do H. H. Circle the correct words within the brackets to complete the paragraph. I'm just going to read. As I'm reading, you have to circle. Now, we are going to start with Getsia. Getsia, it's in your textbook. Start reading.
Hello everyone.
Yeah, 1 second. Slowly. This is my, come on. Read. This is my,
This is my granny's house. It is red and yellow.
that's enough. Only one sentence. So you have to circle like this. Okay. You have to circle. Yes, do it. Israelina, read the next one. It's a paragraph. It's a paragraph. And we have to complete it. Yes, Israelina, read it. It has a... Israelina's not there. Jemima. Jemima. Yes. Not there. Juansri. Juansri. What happened, children? Pratika, Arvi.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read the next sentence, Pratika, with the answer?
It has a living room, a bedroom, and a kitchen.
Very good. That's enough. Only one sentence. Very good. See how neatly these children are reading. Very good. Rida, can you read the next sentence? Rida.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you read the next sentence? She keeps
the house neat and beautiful.
Very good. Very good, Rida. Please circle it, children. Next one, Riha. Riha. Not there. Sanvi. Sanvi used to attend all the classes. Sona. Sona.
Sanvi, ma'am.
Who's there, Sanvi? Sorry, Sona. Let Sanvi read. Sanvi, start the next one. She has a
Sanvi, ma'am.
Come on, who's this?
Sanvi.
Okay, not Tanvi. Sanvi. Is it Sanvi? No. Okay, Sona. Sona, you read. In order, I'm coming. Sona's not there. Okay, Tanvi. Tanvi, because she's come. When I called Sanvi, she heard it as Tanvi. Tanvi, read, ma'am. Tanvi.
Ma'am.
Read, you read.
Thank you, ma'am.
She has a...
He has a television.
Yeah.
So, but
very good.
She
But she doesn't have a computer.
have a computer.
Very good. When you read continuously, you will know what it is. Okay. You will read continuously. Very good. Next one. Next one will be Veerti. Can you read the last one?
Yes, ma'am.
Last one.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
She grows vegetables and flowers in her garden.
Now, 1 second. She grows vegetables and flowers in her garden. Very good. Now, the full paragraph is over. full paragraph. Now I want, listen, I want Alan to read the whole paragraph with the answer till the end. Alan.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
This is my granny's house. It is red and yellow. It has a living room, a bedroom, and a kitchen. She keeps the house neat and beautiful. She has a television, but she does not have a computer. She grows vegetables and flowers in her garden.
Very good. Now we are going to the next one. Okay. We are just going to the next worksheet. Hello. Worksheet. Okay. Worksheet 7. I don't know.
Ma'am, I cannot see the presentation. No, that is.
Children, I told you many times, when I put the next worksheet, you don't be going on telling, ma'am, I cannot see the presentation. I told you, then I went. Yesterday also same thing. Children, just wait. Can you see the presentation right now? Ansh, John? Yes, Ansh? Can you see worksheet 7?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, listen to ma'am. Take a new page in your English classwork. Write the heading. Children, when I am talking to you, you don't talk to your parents. You are going to learn. And parents, please leave them alone, so let them learn something. Anything I say, they asking the parent what to do. Take a new page in your classwork note. Some children are very good. They're independent and they're doing work. Take a new page in your classwork note. Ma'am will help you, children. Don't ask anything from your parents. Then you are not listening to me. Take a new page in your classwork note. Then write the heading. Please write English worksheet 7. Already this worksheet is with you, but you write in your classwork note. Worksheet is there, only you are writing, you are circling. Now you copy this, leaving one line, copy all the 5 questions. After English worksheet 7, circle the correct spelling. Please write. Whenever you write one sentence or one word, leave a line. After the heading, leave a line, circle the correct spelling. Then, leave a line, number 1, leave a line, number 2. You keep little space in between the correct spelling and the wrong spelling. You have to write both the spellings. WOOLLEN, WOLLEN. Exactly like this. And you take one line, write this, leave space, bar, leave space, write the next spelling. I will teach you how to do it. Then leave a line down, look at the screen and write 1 to 5 words. You have 10 words, that is 5 correct spelling and 5 wrong spelling. You can copy 1 to 5, everything as it is.
This one got use analytic. And you want to take.
Now listen. Hope you'd have written, children. Alvin, can you tell me the first one? Alvin is not there. Children, when you don't attend class, how it will be? Okay. Next child. Ansh John, can you tell me the right spelling?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Woolen. Woolen.
I know, only I heard W.
Woolen.
Please say loud, Ansh.
Woolen.
Very good. So you have to, you have to circle that. Ma'am is not going to do because easy for you to copy all the things when I give the answer. You have to circle Woolen. Woolen. Dhruv.
Yes,
Second
ma'am.
question is for you. How are you, Dhruv?
Fine, ma'am.
Hope you are keeping good health. I mean, like you must not fall sick by getting cold and cough and all that. Okay, take care of your health. Not only Dhruv, everyone, because it's very hot outside. Don't be going on playing without listening to your parents. Take care of your health. Okay, use your mask. Okay, number 2. Can you tell me which is the correct spelling of thunder?
Ma'am, the second one is Thunder.
Very good. Thunder. Those who are very slow in writing and listening, lazy to write, I know that you're small children, you will be lazy, but you have to learn. This full month you have to sit and learn. Then only you will remember everything. Thunder. Thunder. Very good, Dhruv. Harish is present all the time, but a little bit lazy to answer, but he's a good boy. He will tell me the answer. Can you tell me the spelling of the next word? You tell me first what is that word. Harish,
Yes, ma'am.
can you pronounce that word? Third one.
B-E.
No, listen. And when I am asking you to pronounce, you must say the word, not the spelling. You must read that word. What is that word?
Beautiful, ma'am.
Beautiful. Don't say beautiful. Beautiful, very beautiful.
Ma'am.
Flowers. Who's that?
Ma'am.
Who came in between? Show. Other than Harish, who came in between just now?
B.
Harish, 1 minute, Harish. Now, tell me the spelling, correct spelling, Harish.
Okay, ma'am. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L.
Very good. Beautiful. Beautiful. No T-Y. Remove that Y. Right I. Very good. Next child is Indian Raji. Read the word. Fourth one. Next one. Yes, Indian Raji.
Ma'am?
Can you read the fourth word?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, what is that word?
Black.
Now listen, 1 minute, 1 second, children. Children, when I ask you to read that. Blackboard. Say
Blackboard.
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 Now tell me the correct spelling of blackboard.
B-L-A-C-K-D-B-O-D.
Tell me once again.
B-L-A-C-K-B-O-D.
No, baby. Think once again. Board. See, you have a blackboard in your class. Black and board. B-O-A-R-D. Say, don't worry.
B-O-A-R-D.
B-L-A-C-K. B-O-A-R-D. Blackboard. Very good.
Blackboard.
Don't feel bad if anyone makes mistake. You will learn by making mistake. Okay, be good. Okay, must not smile at anybody. Generally, I'm speaking. Because all won't be the same. All are coming to school to learn. Very good. The next child is Jasiel. Ma'am forgot the spelling of kitchen. And ma'am wrote kitchen and all. Jasiel, can you tell me which one is the right spelling?
Ma'am.
Kitchen. See, children, if I read like how you are reading, will you keep quiet? When you are reading, you are teaching other children. When you are telling the spelling, you are sharing your spelling with them. K-I-T. Can you hear anything? You have to say K-I-T-C-H-E-N, kitchen. Say Jasiel.
K-I-T.
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 C-H.
C-H-E-N.
E-N. Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Yes. Very good. See, now you know. Otherwise, K-I-T-C-H. By the time you tell N, you will sleep off. Okay, let's go to the next words. Yes. Turn off your mic, everybody. Copy these spellings below each other. You can leave one line and copy all these spellings.
Ma'am, can you show the third one?
Very sorry, baby. After some time, all this time, who's this child? Tell me who asked for the third one? Kailina, did you ask for the third one?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Tomorrow onwards, I will take you to class, okay? More than 20 minutes that was there and you couldn't write. Anyway, tomorrow onwards, come to school and stay with me, okay? Be good. Now, you write from 5th onwards, and you can go to the recording and do it. Anybody who is slow, and John, behave yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Don't play. So long you were so good. Now, listen to me, everybody. Those who are very slow in writing will have to go to the recording. Ma'am will not show because ma'am is teaching one by one the spelling. When a child tells the spelling, you are learning it and sitting and playing. No. I will not entertain all this. Those who did not write will go back to the recording. Other children copy this. Copy from 5, 6, 7, 8. Already 5 was in the first list. Now, Jake.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the 6th word? Please read what I mean by showing these two spellings.
Second one, ma'am.
No, I just want you to pronounce that.
Leopard.
Very good. Leopard. See how neatly he's telling. First one is wrong. Leopard. Leopard. Don't tell anything else. The first spelling is wrong. O is missing. Circle that. Second one. Good, Jake. Jeshu. No. Johannes Thomas. Johan. I just want to see you, Johan. Please turn on your. I want Johan. Jeshu, just wait. Johan, are you there? No. Okay, Jeshu, tell me. I want to see Johan too. Johan, read. Sorry, Jeshu, read 7th one. First, read that word. Sujin, can you read 7th one?
Okay, ma'am.
Don't say jackal and all that. Please wait. Sujin, please read.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the correct one is jackal, ma'am. Jackal.
Now, I want Effie to read the same word.
Yes, ma'am. Jackal. Jackal.
Cyrus, you read. Jackal. Now, Alan, read.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Stretching.
J-A.
Yes, ma'am. Jackal. Jackal.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Alan. I told you don't say jackal and all that. It's jackal. Okay. Jackal. Names you can pronounce anyway, but you just see the correct pronunciation. Pronounce the word, the pronunciation should be right. Okay, very good, children. Those who said Jackal. Now, next one, in order I'm calling Judah, sorry.
Yes, ma'am.
After Judah, Jonathan, be ready. 8th one, Judah.
Yes, ma'am. L.
One second, I will explain. Lightning and thunder. Thunder and lightning. Can you tell me the spelling of lightning?
Lightning.
Yes. Listen, second one. There is no E. Lightning. Lightning. Okay. Lightning. Lightning. Please circle. Now, Jonathan Paul.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I told you to be ready. Very good. Jonathan, can you tell me the next one? One who looks after the garden.
Gardener.
Gardener. Spelling.
Gardner.
No,
Gardener.
baby. That's the name. Gardener is the surname. Gardner. Don't say. Garden plus ER. Gardener. Right? Garden. Then add ER. Gardener. Okay, correct. You just correct your spelling. Gardener. When you write gardener. But when you say gardener. Garden plus ER. Good. Now the last one. I want, let me choose the next. Jemima, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Where were you, dear, when I called you first? Jemima. Okay. Can you tell me the correct spelling? I'll just tell you what is it. Stretching your arms. Stretching. Which is the correct spelling?
Stretching.
No, Baba. Jemima, stretch.
Stretching.
Yes, now you will never forget the spelling. Right spelling, because you told the wrong one first, second one right. Always keep in your mind the right one. Stretching. Children, we finished sending the assignment. Learn all these worksheets well. Go through the book. How many lessons are given? Then you learn, then you write. Close everything. When you write your assignment, copy the questions in your test note, complete the work in your test note, take a photo of it and upload it. No, I don't want anybody to write for you, and not only the answers, with the questions. Clear? Circle means write 2, then circle 1. Please do it neatly. And when you copy the questions, see that you don't make mistake, especially spelling mistake. Children, if you make spelling mistake, and because sometimes you may take some other number and add or subtract, your answer may be correct.